All right, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you for hanging out here with me again today. Um, this is going to be a very short meeting. This is one webinar I struggled to do actually. On a good day, I would not do this webinar. But because I made a commitment to you on the very first webinar that I held in 2018, that was on the 10th of January 2018. I said my target for you this year is for you to be a dollar millionaire. And I'm very committed to that. I don't know about you. But what I do know is that I will do, I'll play my own part. Hopefully you play yours too. And that commitment is why I'm doing this webinar. Like I said, I really struggled to do this, but I'm going to do it nonetheless. All right. Okay, so we're going to go very straight to the point. I hope to do this in less than 1 hour so that you'll be able to digest everything that will be shared tonight. I want you to put your phones on silent and just give me your next 1 hour. What I'm going to be sharing here is going to be mind-boggling. For some of you that have followed me for some time, I told you how I got myself a crypto mentor who is very, very vested and connected in Silicon Valley. That is the IT and the financial capital of the world, all right? And I pay him heavily every single month to give me insider secrets and insider info as per what's going on in cryptocurrency. And so far, it's been amazing, all right? So you understand that for me, it's such a sacrifice for me to always want to share with you what I paid heavily to receive, and I'm sharing it for free, and I really don't care. What will pain me is if you do not take these things into action, because the general belief is that what you get for free, you don't value, all right? What you get for free, you don't value. And that's why some people will charge, but I would not want to charge, but I really just pray that you will psych yourself to think that you paid for this so that you can give it the value it deserves. All right? So I'm paying some cool thousands of dollars every month to get this information. And to the best of my ability, I'm going to try to share with you as much as possible, hoping that you take action. You remember that no matter what you know, no matter what you hear, no matter what you learn, until you take action, nothing happens. All right? So I'm going to do my own part, you do your own part. So can we get started already? Awesome. Now, you're here on this call today because of two reasons. Number one, you're interested in financial freedom. Number two, you believe that cryptocurrency will provide that path or that channel to financial freedom. All right? So if these 2 points does not describe you, then I wonder what you're doing here. But I know that for you to join me on this call today and be willing to sacrifice your next 1 hour with me is because you're interested in financial freedom and you believe that cryptocurrency can get you there. All right? So once again, I welcome you. All right? So let's get started. For some of you that have followed me consistently, you would have heard me mention of a particular investment company called BlackRock. If you're on this call right now, rescue me. So I said, boss, I'm not hearing anything. I'm sorry, but you need to activate your audio from your end. Every other person can hear me, right? Okay, if you're on this call right now and you have ever heard me mention the organization BlackRock, can you give me a me on the chat box? I want to be sure. I know I've mentioned it at least twice. If you're on this call right now and you've heard me mention that organization BlackRock, can you give me a me on the chat box? If you've not heard it, just don't type anything. If you have heard me call that name BlackRock, then just give me a yes on the chat box or a me on the chat box. In one of the physical seminars we held in Ikeja, that some people organize, and then I went there to speak. I mentioned BlackRock. Okay, Kuma says yes. Metalistic says yes. Iberi says yes. Akim says yes. All right. Now, first and foremost, let me do the okay. Aina, Jake says yes. Dele says okay, whatever. Now, let me build a background to what I want to share so that you will understand. Something is going to happen in the next 2 months in the crypto space that will send the value of crypto soaring. All right. So the objective of this call is to give you an insider view of what it is exactly that's going to happen and how you can position to ride this new wave that is about to happen. All right. When this wave came in 2017, some people that rode it flat out made $1 million. Yeah, that's the truth. So in 2018, it's also possible to make $1 million. But there are a couple of things you need to know, and that's why we're here tonight. I wanted tonight or this morning or this afternoon, depending on what part of the world you are. All right. Now listen up. If you don't know BlackRock, BlackRock is the world's largest investment organization. They are headquartered in the United States of America. BlackRock manages the sovereign wealth fund of nations. For you to understand how big this particular organization is. All right? They have with them $5.7 trillion in assets under management. $5.7 trillion in assets under management. They are a heavyweight as far as investing or investment is concerned worldwide. All right? Now, you may ask, why are you telling us about BlackRock? That's because this organization is looking at coming into cryptocurrency. Remember, I told you, now just listen very carefully, and I really beg you, do not be distracted, because this is going to be very brief. Remember, I'm having to do this because I committed to do it. So I'm not going to really emphasize too much on it. I'm just going to breeze through it. And I will hope that you can read in between the lines, all right, to make sense out of what I'm saying. Good. Now, BlackRock is coming into cryptocurrency. For some of you that are already doing a thing or two in crypto, I very much understand that there are two categories of people on this call tonight. Those who have a bit of, experience with cryptocurrency. Maybe you're already trading, you have a portfolio and all of those kind of things, and people who are brand new into cryptocurrency. All right, don't worry, I'll break these things down such a way that everybody on this call, everybody listening to me can understand. One of the key reasons why we have seen the recent volatility in cryptocurrency, for those of you who are in tune with what's happening in the market, you can tell that the price of all the cryptocurrencies have dropped from January to date, right? Now, have you ever asked yourself why? There are so many reasons, really, that is the truth. But one of the core reasons is because institutional investors are gearing up to come into cryptocurrency. Institutional investors means companies, organizations, not individuals. These are people with billions of dollars and even trillions of dollars in their care. They're gearing up to come into cryptocurrency. But because these people are very powerful people, powerful in position, powerful with money, you know what they have to do before they come in, because the truth is, the people who came in into cryptocurrency from 2009 to 2015, 2016 are really the individuals, the small guys, willing to take some risk. Now, these big players, the institutions, have seen the kind of profits that is possible in the crypto industry, and they are whining that they did not come on board, when we, the individuals, came on board. Now they are ready to come on board, but they will just not come on board at the peak. I mean, there was a time Bitcoin hit $20,000 for one Bitcoin. They will not come on board at the peak because they are wise, because they are business people, they are shrewd. All right? They're all for the money, they're all for the profit. They've been in the business of trading Forex, trading gold, trading stocks for a long, long time. They understand how these things work. So what did they do? What they did, one of the things they did was that they started to bankroll negative media against cryptocurrency. Have you heard the CEO of JP Morgan? What's his name? Somebody Diamond. What's his name? Jimmy Diamond or something. Jimmy Diamond or something. I think something like that. Have you ever wondered why he's always talking against cryptocurrency, calling it a fraud, calling it a scam, and all of those kind of things? Now, these things are calculated. Remember, I'm not talking from my own capacity here. I told you I have a mentor, and he's very connected, very, very vested in the happenings in Silicon Valley. So this is classified information. You will never read this on any blog. You will not see this on TV because it's classified. Now, what they need to do to set the stage for their coming on board is to sponsor those negative media so that the price will crash. People that we call weekends will hurriedly sell because they will lose hope. They will trade on the media and believe that cryptocurrency might fail and all of those kind of things, and then they will sell. And you know that it's economics. Once supply is higher than demand, what happens? Price goes down. That's what's happening right now. So more people are selling than buying. That's why the price has continued to go down. Now, why? The reason is because these people wanted to come down to the least, to the barest minimal, and then they will come in. Now, the influx of this money that will be coming in, what will happen? Will trigger the price action because demand will now be higher than supply. You have a lot of demand. You have new money that have been pumped into the space, and so price will start to go up again. Now, what most people that are interested in cryptocurrency will do is to wait for price to start going up before they start investing. But when you do that, you're already too late. All right? But for the people who will make the most money, that the people who have this insider information and who can trade on this information. Am I making sense? All right. I want to tell you about another company. It's called the Wellington Management. That's the name of the organization. Also based in the US. It's also an investment company. Wellington Management is one of the world's largest asset manager. All right. And they said that their investment team is evaluating the potential inclusion of crypto assets in their client portfolios. Right? These guys are so powerful and so big that they manage over 1 trillion assets for over 2,000 institutional clients. They don't manage, these guys are too big. They don't deal with individuals. They deal with nations. They deal with organizations. All right? This Wellington Management have over 2,000 institutional clients with over $1 trillion in assets under management. And they are all gearing up to come into cryptocurrency, to invest in cryptocurrency. All right? Now, here are some facts that some of you may not know. Let me share maybe about two of these facts to make you understand what's really going on. Do you understand that by the end of February, 2018, over $1 billion had already been raised through ICOs. That is between January and February, just 2 months in 2018, over $1 billion had already been raised through ICOs. Another fact. Now, this does not include the over $200 million that venture capitalists have invested in blockchain companies in 2018 alone. This $1 billion does not include the over $200 million that venture capitalists have invested in diverse blockchain companies in 2018 alone. I mean, we're just in March. Today is just the 13th of March. But in just this time, about, let's say, 10 weeks, over $1 billion, excluding over $200 million invested by venture capitalists. Also, this does not include the $850 million that was raised by messaging platform Telegram's pre-ICO. All right? Some of you heard that Telegram, did a pre-ICO and raised $850 million. This $1 billion that was raised through ICOs this year does not include this $850 million. So just for you to see the kind of money that is coming into this space, and it's just a matter of time and things will begin to pick up. But you and I need to position ourselves to take advantage of what's about to happen in the market. Now, on May 14th, 2018, a private event will hold that we see as much as $5 trillion being pumped into the market, that will send the entire crypto space to at least 1,000% increase in 2018. 1,000% increase in 2018. Somebody might say, wow, 1,000%? Are you saying that it's possible for crypto to grow by 1,000% in 2018? Of course. It has been done before. As a matter of fact, crypto grew by over 1,500% in 2017. Because the crypto industry grew from $15 billion and peaked at $850 billion. That's way, way over the 1,000% we are talking about for 2018. So it's been done before. So it's not rocket science. It's not something that is unheard of. It's been done before, and it's going to be done again in 2018. All right? So these, of course, as I get more information, I will share. But for now, this is the information. Trillions of dollars is going to be pumped into the crypto space. And once that kind of money come in, the cryptocurrency space have no other thing to do, have no other place to go than up. So that means that those who have positioned themselves appropriately will be those who will be the biggest earners. All right? Awesome. Now, how can you and I position ourselves for this amazing opportunity? You know, it's going to be painful if it happens and we didn't know about it. Like, we just woke up and we saw that Bitcoin has hit $20,000. It's going to be painful that we didn't ride on it if we didn't know about it. But you know what's going to be more painful? That you know about it and still did not ride on it. And so that's why I'm asking, okay, now that we have this information, it's not about just celebrating information and bragging around with your friends, telling them about what's about to happen, just so that they think or know that you know so much about cryptocurrency. No, it goes beyond that. Now, with all of this information, the next question will be, what can I do with this information so that I can profit from it? What can I do with this information? Some of you will say, okay, hold on. Let me ask. What can you do with this information? With the information I have shared right now, what are you going to do? Let me ask. Let's make it a little bit engaging. What are you going to do? Tell me. With the information I just shared with you, what are you going to do? Tell me. Metalisi says invest now. Okay. More reactions. Okay. Wow, interesting. Oluwaseun, okay. Dele say buy more of altcoin. Dele say buy more of altcoin. Okay. Oluwaseun say try to invest in those coins you sent to us earlier. Okay. Oyewale Abiodun says, okay. Metalist said invest now seriously. Raf said invest in ICOs. Igwenagu Dochuku says bring my whole clan to invest. Dochuku, okay. Daniel Akbar says buy coins and hold, okay. Oyewale Abiodun says okay, hold on. If you just join, just flow with us. Don't take us back, please. Later you can go ahead and watch the recording. It's being recorded. Please don't take us back if you are just joining us. Kuma says invest in potential coins, okay? Goswell said I just need to look for the right altcoins. Njimba said hold on to what you have. Charles says play more actively. Somebody said invest. Phil Collins said buy more of Bitcoin. Okay, and Anthony says restructure my portfolio. Folashade said take serious position. Demidola said buy more of cryptos and hold for at least 1 year. Benita said buy more of coins that are very prospective. Okay, Sam Bright said increase my investment in the coins you earlier suggested in January. Onyekure Samuel says invest more in ICOs. Okay. Oyewale says please recap. No way, I won't do that. Jide says buy major coins. Okay. Uchenna says start buying trusted coins. Okay. Shagun says buy more of BTC. Adakpo says investing more and bringing novice into the system. Adakpo Abraham, God bless you. I'm going to talk more on that shortly. Ikedeze say buy and hold altcoins and Bitcoin. Dayo Joseph says start investing now. Anthony said trade to get at least 5 BTCs. Chukwuka Okeke says invest wisely with your kind of info. Okay. They say Wellington now has crypto and blockchain on their home. Okay. Wellington now has crypto and blockchain on their homepage as new investors guide now. All right. See what I just shared, Wellington management. Somebody is saying that same Wellington management that I said they're thinking of coming on board into crypto. He said they already have crypto and blockchain on their homepage as new investors guide. Guys, can you see what I'm saying? You will not see this on any blog. You won't see this on TV. All right. It is secret. All right. So you're getting an exclusive info. I really just pray that you take action. Okay. Igwenago says buy more of, okay, mention some coin, perhaps more BTC and hold until just exploit the undervalued coin, start building your crypto. All right. Oh, I'm sorry if I didn't read your comment. I'm sorry. You better say hold what you have and invest more in the altcoin. Fred Momin said we start buying Bitcoin. Okay. Good. All of you have answered well. All of you have answered well. But here is one question that I want to ask you again. And I want you to answer in the chat box. Do you honestly have enough money to invest? Please answer in the chat box. Do you honestly have enough money to invest? With this information, now, some time ago, I shared with you an image of somebody who invested $2,000 January 2017. And by January 2018, that $2,000 had turned to $520,000. $520,000 in just 1 year. So if I told you right now that $2,000 now will give you $520,000 by this time next year, I'm just giving an analogy. If I told you that right now, that it's certain, do you have enough money to invest in cryptocurrency? Do you have enough money? All right. Please answer me. I want this to be engaging. It's a very short call, so let's make it engaging. Okay. Let me see. Let me read some of the comments. Oluwaseun Fawale said no. Mr. Izu said no. Anthony says no. Shegun says no. Ogunja says not yet. Jidafor, no. Adakpo, no. Ikedeze, no. Solomon, at all. Sumi, no. Metalistic, not yet. Yinka, sure. Okay, awesome. I like you. But I think you don't understand my question. Anyways, it's okay. Rega Ego said, no, I don't. Chukuga said, not quite. Not really, not money. Okay, now hold on. Okay. Okay. Somebody says something that I like. Dele says, not really, but working on enlightening my prospect. Okay. Ralph said no. Folashade said no. Igwenago said no. Anything less than $100 million isn't enough. I like this. That was why I said the guy who said yes didn't really understand my question. Because the truth is this: if with the quality of the information I have right now, if I had $1 million right now, I'll put it in. And I'll be wishing actually that I had more to put in. All right? So that's what I mean. All right? So I have a lot of no. Sorry if I didn't mention your name. I'm so sorry. Sam Bryce, I don't have enough as I would have wanted. All right? Gina said, not really, but working on investing more. Anthony said, no, but hopefully before the bull drive kicks in. Okay? Kuma said, not enough. Okay. Let me see. Fred Mumi said, not really, but I will make sure and buy 1,000 USD of Bitcoin, okay? Demdula said, no, but by engaging in a platform that generates cryptos, Bitcoin, okay? Morrison, no, okay. Paul Dennis, I don't have the kind of money I would like, but what I have is good enough to start. Awesome. Okay, now that takes me to what do I do? Because I think a lot, I meditate a lot. Okay, with all of the information I have, which I have shared some with you, what do I really do now to take possession of this amazing opportunity? Do I have all the money I would want to invest? The answer is no, I don't. I wish I had more money to invest. I don't. So what do you do then? What do you do? That's the question right now. What do you do? What do you do? Now, listen to this. Let me give you a strategy that will be very simple. Some of you will be able to raise $10,000, $5,000, $7,000 to position yourself for this next boom if you heed to what I'm going to tell you. And one thing I always do on my calls, I never tell you to do what I'm not doing. All right? I never do that. I talk out of passion. If I'm not passionate about something, I never talk about it. And if I'm passionate about it, that means I'm doing it. All right? Now, here is the strategy. Here is my line of thought. Here is what I will do. And if you're interested, you can do likewise. So I started to think, okay, I don't have enough money as I would like to have to invest to take advantage of this crypto boom. But I have a driving policy that says if you can have everything in life that you desire, if you can help enough other people get what they desire, you can have everything in life that you desire if you can help enough other people get what they desire. Now listen, the truth is this: a lot of people will not be able to ride on the next crypto wave. Do you know why? Because they don't even have this information. That's one. Two, they don't even have a guide, a mentor who can tell them, okay, this is the exchange to open an account with, this is how to do it like this. A lot of people see what you and I know as too technical. So they will not even do it. Do you understand what I'm saying? Hope you're following me. A lot of people cannot position themselves in this next wave because they don't know enough to do that. They think it's too technical. All right? And even though whatever it is that you know right now, even if you think it's elementary, it is still very technical to some other guys. Now, so what is the solution? The solution is this. Why not? And you agree with me that these guys, that believe they don't know anything about cryptocurrency, they don't know anything about crypto trading, you agree with me that they are in the majority. The majority of the people are these people. Only a few people really understand all we are talking about cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and all of those kind of things. Only a few, right? Now, here is the thing. How about I help this category of people who cannot take advantage of this next wave, no matter how much you tell them, because most of them don't even know what Bitcoin is. They hear cryptocurrency, they hear it as one of those things. They don't really understand what is it, how does it work, where can I buy it, how can I participate? Many of them do not. Now, here's the thing. How about you help these people to make some money in cryptocurrency? I'm not talking about helping them ride on the next wave, because you just may not be able to help them. All right? Because some of these people cannot even, they don't really understand their left from their right. Now, the strategy is this. How about helping this class of people to make easy money from cryptocurrency? And then, because you have helped them, they provide you with a capital that you will now use to take position in the next boom. Let me say that again. How about you help enough people, these masses that have heard about cryptocurrency, how profitable it is, that are wishing they can take advantage of cryptocurrency but don't know how to go about it? How about you help this category of people to start making some money from cryptocurrency, easy, all right, easy money from cryptocurrency. And then, because you have helped them, they will now provide you with a capital that you can use to ride on this next wave. Exactly. Now, here's the thing. Some of you may know about CWE, some of you may not know. CWE is Crypto World Evolution. And what is it? Very simply, it's an automatic cryptocurrency trading software. All right? You pay for the license, you integrate the software to your exchange, either Binance, Bittrex, HitBTC, or OKX. You integrate it to your exchange, and then it takes the Bitcoin that is in your exchange and then starts trading for you. Hands-free, autopilot. You don't need to do nothing. All right? Now, this class of people who don't understand what cryptocurrency is, how to handle it and all of that, they can do this. If you share with them Crypto World Evolution, teach them how to create an account on the exchange, and then help them, even if need be, help them to integrate the software, which is very easy. There are videos that teach you how to do that. Help them to integrate the software, and then the software starts trading for them automatically. Now, that way, you have helped them to start making money from cryptocurrency. That's one. Two, you're also helping in bringing more people into the cryptocurrency space. That's two. And then the third and the most important thing you have also done is that they will also provide the capital that you will use to ride on this next wave. Because for every one of them that you bring aboard Crypto World Evolution, they will pay you commissions. So from the commissions you will earn, you can actually position yourself brilliantly and comfortably well in this next wave. Is this clear? Engage with me on the chat box. This simple strategy I just shared, is it clear? Let me know in the chat box. Adakpo Abraham say yes. Metalistic say yes. Shegun Riches say yes. Sam Bright, yes sir. Demidola, yes. Yinka, not really. Paul then says, sorry. Messages are coming in so very fast that it's just scrolling up. Paul then says very clear. Marius clear. Rav, very clear. Chukuka, simple as ABC. Jakes, yeah, clear enough. Jidofo, yes. Dele, yeah, very clear, sir. Kuma said the strategy is clever. Ogunja, excellent. Goswill, yes. Dare, not clear. Ikedeze, yes, boss. Ebenezer, yes. Eweoya, yes. Folashade, yes. Somi, yes. Dare says no. Dayo Justice, yes, very clear. Tunde Johnson, on point. Christian, understood. Fred Mimin, yes. Manfred, yes. Agbowe, oh my God, sorry. Agbon Miwalen, sorry. Oh. Okay, sorry, Ehiz. Ehiz, I hear you. Olaleko, not clear yet. Mr. Ezi, yes, but still thinking how possible that is. All right. Tunde Johnson, on point. Oluwaseun, yes. Phil Collins, how can one make the money from introducing it to others, and where can someone buy it? Okay. Okay, Mr. Izu, let me unmute you. Let me hear your question in full. How is it possible? Okay. Where's Mr. Izu? Mr. Izu, can you wave at me? Can you wave? Can you wave? Okay, I can see you. Mr. Izu, how are you doing?
I'm all right, Dan.
Yeah, what's up? It's been a while.
Yeah, I've been away for a while.
Okay, awesome. All right. You said you're not sure how to do it.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. How do you mean?
No, I really don't have much idea how this crypto world evolution works.
Okay, you've not watched the video.
So, yes. I've been away for a while.
Okay. Actually, I intend for this webinar to be very short. So I may not do a full presentation of crypto world evolution on this call because I've already done a presentation on it. So what I will do is I'll provide a link right now where you can go subscribe to the Crypto World Evolution newsletter, and right immediately, instantly, the videos will be sent to your inbox and you can take your time and watch that video. All right. Okay. So let me just give a surface detailed summary of the strategy, not Crypto World Evolution now, because I already did that. So I don't like to repeat what I've already done. All right. So I'll give you a summary of the strategy. Then your responsibility is to go watch the Crypto World Evolution presentation. Let me put out the link before I forget. 1 minute, please. So for those of you who have not seen the video, what you want to do is to go watch it, please. I will not be able to do it again. All right, so let me share my screen so that everybody can see. Okay, Mr. Isu, can you see my screen?
Yes.
You can see my screen. So copy that link, everybody. Copy that link, pdsp.us/crypto. All right, copy that link, and then you will see a little subscribe box. Just put your name, your email address, and bam, instantly the videos will be in your inbox. Just watch the videos. Everything is very well explained in the videos that will be sent to your inbox. All right. So pdsp.us/crypto. Please, you can snap it. I want to stop my screen share right now. If you've not copied it yet, just take your phone and snap the link. Just go to that link, subscribe, and check your inbox immediately. The videos will be in your inbox. Watch the videos and then take action. All right. So that's that about Crypto World Evolution. But let me explain the strategy again. All right. Let me explain the strategy again. Now, here's the strategy. You now have an insider knowledge of what is about to happen in the crypto world, right? Some trillions of dollars about to be pumped into this industry that will set the coin market, skyrocketing. However, the money you have, the money I have is limited. Even if you have $10,000 to spare right now, it's still limited. Even if you have $100,000 to spare right now, it's still limited. The truth is that money is insatiable. None of us have all of the money that we want to have. Now, the thing is this: how do you leverage on this information? How can you stand out from the man who did not hear of this information? So if you have $1,000 and the man that does not have this information is also investing in the industry with $1,000, then what's the difference? What shows that you actually knew something he doesn't know? All right. So leverage means that you must be able to source for more capital that you don't currently have. And you can do that without borrowing. You know, before now in business, if you want to scale your business, you need to borrow to scale your business. But in the 21st century, that has changed. There is something called other people's money. All right? Which doesn't necessarily mean going to the bank to borrow. That is the truth. Now, that is where crypto world evolution comes in. For people out there, your friends, your family, your colleagues, some of the things we are talking about here on this call is going to sound like rocket science. They don't understand it. But there's something they do understand. They can do something that is hands-free. So you can actually tell them about crypto world evolution. Hey guys, have you heard of cryptocurrency? They most likely will say yes. Have you heard of the immense profits in it? Yes, again. But they don't have an idea how to benefit from it. Here comes crypto world evolution, an automatic cryptocurrency trading software. List the license, connect it to your exchange, it trades for you automatically. You don't need to know anything about cryptocurrency. You don't need to know anything about trading. You don't need to know anything about charting. You don't need to know anything about candlesticks. You just hook up the software to your exchange and it's trading for you. So these guys, more often than not, will be interested. All right? Because everybody or most people want to be able to send their money on an errand. Most people want to be able to put their money somewhere and they're making something from it without putting their time into it. And that's the beauty about crypto world evolution. All right? Now, for everybody, now you're helping them now. You're helping them to make money, isn't it? But over and above helping them, you're also helping yourself. Remember that quote I just made. You can have everything in life if only you can help enough other people get what they want. So if you help them get what they want, which is make more money from their money, they will also in turn help you get what you want. Because for every one of them that joins you on crypto world evolution, you make a commission. And it's a very generous commission. I explained all of this on the presentation. Just go to that link, subscribe to that newsletter, and the video will be sent to you. All the commissions that you would make, the benefits of crypto world evolution, the features of crypto world evolution, why it's almost risk-free. Everything is well presented and well showed on that particular presentation. Now, that's the strategy. So you show them crypto world evolution that will help them make money even without need of having any experience or technical know-how. And then from the commission you earn, you can position yourself. Now, I believe that as time goes on, as I have more information on my mentor, I'm also going to do this kind of calls very much frequently and tell you exactly the coins, all right, that you should focus on. Because that the cryptocurrency industry is about to skyrocket does not mean that every coin out there will skyrocket. It doesn't mean so. So you don't need to waste your effort on coins that may do 1x or 2x your money when there are coins that can do 500x your money. All right. So if you have $500, why would you want to put it in a coin that will just do 2x in 1 year when you can put it in a coin that can do 500x? All right. So I believe I will also be doing this kind of calls where I'll be telling you on coins you should focus on. But the truth is this: you need money to be able to focus on those coins. And here's the way to generate the money. All right. Come on board Crypto World Evolution. Share it with people as a very easy and fast way of making money from the cryptocurrency industry without experience, without knowledge, and almost without risk. And as you come on board, you earn commissions that you would use to position yourself for the next wave. That's simple. That's a simple strategy. All right. So if there's anything you don't understand about Crypto World Evolution, I already told you where to go. All right, so you watch that particular video, you come on board and take advantage. Remember, you've got just 2 months. From 14th of May, we'll begin to see some activities happening. And before that time, you want to get yourself already ready. All right, so you have just 2 months to get yourself ready for the next crypto boom. Just 2 months. And if you ask me, it's more than enough. In 30 days, if you take crypto world evolution seriously, you can very easily make $5,000 in the next 30 days from commissions alone. Very easily do that. All right? And that's just being conservative, but you can very easily do that. If you take this seriously, you can easily do that. So my question to you is, how bad do you want to be financially free? How bad do you want to end this year as a dollar millionaire? It's in your hands. The beauty about cryptocurrency is that what you put in and what you get out sometimes doesn't even look alike. All right. This is one industry that I know that have the capacity. This is one industry that I know that has the capacity to take your capital and geometrically, increase it. All right. So if you heed to my advice and generate more capital than you already have through a program like Crypto World Evolution, you will be smiling by December 2018. And that's the plan. You'll be smiling by December 2018. So for me, that's simple. It takes away all of the, how do I do it? How can I do it? I don't have enough money. All of those questions has been taken off. All you need to do now is just to hit the ground running. All right. You already know a program that can give you all of the money needed to ride the next wave. All you need to do is to work that program and make the money and get yourself ready for the next wave. All right. Liberty say, please, what coin are we talking about? You obviously just joined. All right. So watch the recording of this webinar again to get an idea of what I'm talking about. All right. Phil Collins, what is the cost of Crypto World Evolution? No, I wouldn't want to go into that in this video because I've done justice to that already in the video. The thing is, most people do not like to watch videos and most people do not like to read. So what exactly do you like to do? Listen, in this business, now let me say this. Let me be blunt. Let me be very blunt now. You cannot succeed in this business if you are not given to learning, if you are not given to knowledge. If you are not the person that always want to watch videos, always want to read, you cannot succeed in this business. That is the truth. This business thrives on information. And if you do not like to read, then you cannot succeed in this business. Somebody chatted me, said, Dan, I saw the video of Crypto World Evolution in my inbox, but I don't have data to watch the video. Please, can you just give me the detail? Really? And he called me. He wants me to do a presentation over the phone. I'm sorry, I will never do that. Because I have other things I do with my time also. I need my time to research. I need my time to read. So I will not shoot a video and then be doing personal presentations on call. Some people will even chat me on WhatsApp and say, please tell me about Crypto World Evolution. I'm like, are you for real? You need to go watch the video. Now, if you cannot sacrifice data to watch something that has the capacity to put you on the path of financial freedom, then I don't know what else you want to do, really. I don't know what else you want to do. But one thing is paramount. You must be willing to learn. You must be willing to watch the videos. You must be willing to read. If you can't do that, I can't help you. I'm sorry. All right. So all of the videos, everything you need to know about Crypto World Evolution is being shot in a video, very short video, 30 minutes. All right. Just go to that link, subscribe, put your name and email. And if you've done that during this webinar, the videos will already be in your inbox. All right. Put your email there, your name there. The videos will be in your inbox. Watch the videos and then take action. Everything you need to know is already there. If there is now need for any clarification, you can email me and I will respond. All right. But the first thing is to go watch the video. All right. Udochukwu say, boss, this is the first time I'm listening to you, and I want to keep listening. How do I subscribe to your news and mentorship on social media or plain media? Okay, Udochukwu, thank you for joining me today. I'm so excited. But if you got the link I just showed, that is how to connect with me. If you're subscribed on that link, you get all the videos to Crypto World Evolution, and you also get future updates from me. So first thing you need to do, just go there, subscribe, and then you get updates from me. You're hooked to my community. All right. Tosin said, I have a question on you. Want to ask what makes the algorithm different from mine? Okay, I wouldn't know what you mean by yours, really. What algorithm do you have? I don't know. Okay, what do you mean by mine? Now, okay, now hold on. Just in case you're here and you're a trader, you already trade cryptocurrency. That's beautiful. But here's the thing. The emphasis here is capital. Now, if I'm a full-time trader, of course I am. Now, I have X amount that I can allocate to ride this next crypto wave. But all the money I can get is all the money I can get through my trading. But in leveraging a system like Crypto World Evolution, you are helping people to make money and you are being paid commissions, which does not affect the money I made with my everyday trading. It doesn't affect it. I don't know if you understand. My everyday trading cannot help the masses, cannot help the common man who does not understand anything about cryptocurrency. And so all I can get from my trading is all I can get from my trading. How about I set myself up to make more money by trading and also by getting people on board Crypto World Evolution so that they too can start making money and I too can start making more money from commissions. And then from the commissions, I now have more money. I have money from my trading, I have money from commissions. So if Mr. B is focusing on trading up his capital to have money that he can position for the next wave, while Mr. B is also trading and also running with Crypto World Evolution. At the end of the day, Mr. B, who is doing the both of them, will have more capital to invest than Mr. A, who is only trading. So, Tosin, I wouldn't know what your question is, but just in case your question is, why should I do Crypto World Evolution since I am already trading? If that's your question, then you have your answer right there. If you're trading, you can only make money on your own personal effort. But if you are referring Crypto World Evolution to people, you are sharing this opportunity with people, one, you're helping them. These people will be grateful to you. All right, that's one. And then two, you're leveraging also on their efforts to make you money. So you are going to have more money in your disposal to take advantage of this next wave. So I hope that's clear enough. Okay, there's a, what are the coins that this evolution will affect? I told you already. I'm going to shoot subsequent videos to tell you the coins. Okay, all right. So that is it, guys. You have the information that you can actually ride on for the next wave. All right. And also, I heard some people, when I was soliciting for response, some people say I'm going to invest more on ICO. Now, listen to this, guys. One thing about being a businessman, first and foremost, the number one skill you must have as a businessman is ability to take informed decision and ability to take responsibility if your decisions go against you. Now, no matter how profitable we all think that ICO is, and of course, you know I do ICOs. Of course, I did consistent webinars where I was recommending ICOs. The fact still remains that ICOs are very, very risky. All right? That is the fact. ICOs are very, very risky. You can lose every money you put in. So here is the rule of thumb in investing in ICOs. Never put money in an ICO that you cannot afford to lose. Okay? Because ICOs are risky because you're basically investing in a business that have not been proven. A business that can go under. All right? Even if the business is good, even if it has prospects, the management team can still kill it. Like I read one time of a particular ICO that after the ICO, the executive team started fighting themselves on how to share the money that they raised from the ICO. All right. So all of those kind of things. So for those of you who say, I will invest more in ICO, that will not be a good strategy because you can have your fingers terribly burnt. All right. Now, what I do personally with ICO is I take out money from my other investment, a particular percentage, and I put it in ICO. All right. So that if a particular ICO I invested in goes south, I can easily forget it because I did not invest all of my life savings there. So for some of you that say I will invest heavily in ICO, that means that if that ICO ever fails, you may be out. So don't ever expose yourself to any ICO to a position where you can be down and out. Do you understand that? So investing in ICO might not be the way to go. All right? Might not be the way to go. Always try to do something that is, you know, more, what's the word I'm looking for? What's the word I'm looking for? Something less risky. And then from the profit, you can now put in little into ICOs and just wait, all right? So wanted to just say that. How can I contact you, sir? Very simple. Once you subscribe, you have my contact. Once you subscribe, I will automatically send you an email. If you want to ask me any question, whatever, just reply that email and you get to me. Tosin said it's okay to raise capital. I think this is the best bet to raise funds because you're helping people, also helping yourself. Thanks, but the truth is this, some of you do not understand the true potential of the kind of money you can make in crypto world evolution. It's passive income. Passive income means you're making money and you're doing nothing. All right? You know, there are some programs that you have to do something before you make money. For crypto world evolution, it's not like that. You do something, after a while, you just start making money every day without doing any other thing. It's amazing. I've trained myself not to talk too much, so I don't look like I'm over marketing or over selling something. So I'll just tell you the way it is. If you're interested, you come on board. If you're not interested, that's it. But really, the money you can make with crypto world evolution is amazing, and the risk is almost insignificant because you're not giving anybody your money. I personally made that decision. I'm not giving anybody my money no more. All right, my money stays with me. If I lose my money myself, then let me know I lost it myself. Not that I gave it to somebody and they're telling me stories at the end of the day. And that's what crypto world evolution is about. Your money is in your exchange account, in your own account. You're not giving it to anybody. It stays in your account. And then you just hook the software to that account and the account is trading for you. Simple. All right, so you're not giving anybody your money, the money stays with you. All you need to do is pay the money to lease the software trades for you for 1 year, and that's it. Liberty, please stay focused. All right, stay focused. All right, guys, so that is it. As I get more information, I promise to share with you, but it's your responsibility to take advantage of the information that we share. All right. So remember, for those of you that are watching this particular broadcast on YouTube, remember to click the red subscribe button, all right, to subscribe to my YouTube channel. What that does is whenever I upload a video, you get a notification, all right? Just click on the red subscribe button by the right-hand side of the video. Just click on it, and then you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. And of course, remember to subscribe to the link I just shared, pdsp.us/crypto. Go there, put your name and your email address. Two things will happen. You get an email instantly with the videos of Crypto World Evolution, and then you also subscribe to my community. So every update as regards everything that will be shared to me by my mentor, I will fire it down to you. All right. So that is all I have to share tonight. Thank you so much. I hope you had fun with me tonight. I appreciate all of you. Remember, as I will always say, you are made for more, and you are more than this. Cheers. Bye-bye now. Good night.